Welcome all. We are going to start our new lesson, that is angles. So before we proceed further, in fourth standard you have already studied the basic concepts of angle. Right now we are knowing there are three main types of angle. One is right angle, obtuse angle and acute angle. The measurement part, the construction we will see later. Before that, just we are going to solve this small table which is given in front of you near the board. So just see here angles. They are given you few diagrams. Two diagrams are presented over here. The name of the angle is asked, vertex of a particular angle and the arms of the angle. Angle means what? When two rays come together. When two lines they come together, they meet together, the structure which is formed is said to be as an angle. Right now in this particular figure you can see the name of the angle. Name means what? Acute, right, obtuse, there are types of angle. We cannot say them that these are acute angle, this is right angle, this is obtuse angle. Sorry. Name of the angle means the names which are represented over here. Right now you can see for this angle PQR is given a particular name. So that's why the name of this angle will be angle PQR. And this symbol is always used when you are using or when you are representing an angle. Don't forget to write this symbol. If you write only this PQR, you are going to lose half mark. Why? Because this angle representation is very important. So the name of this angle is PQR. For example, now you can see over in this question. Here the name is STU, or you can read as UTS. No issue, you can read over here RQP also. The next representation will be RQP. You can say it anyhow. Depends upon you, but don't start from here, go here and here. Go in a sequence, either start from this end or start from this end. Here, the ray name will be STU, that is angle STU or angle UTS. So these are the names of this angle. The vertex. Vertex means what? When these two rays are coming together and incident on each other. Right now you can see this QP and QR are incident. They are coming from this origin. So here the Q is the vertex. We can, in simple word, we can say the corner of that particular angle. So here the vertex is Q and over here the vertex is T. And the arms of a particular angle. Arms means what? If you consider your whole body, these are your two arms. Same way, angles also consider two rays which are joined together. They are said to be their arms. In this particular figure, you can see QP is one arm and QR is another arm. So QP and QR. And this particular figure, you can see you can say TS and PQ are the arms of this angle. I hope you have understood this table. Okay, so we are going to see the types of angle. Basically, we are knowing right angle, which we have already studied in fourth standard. Right angle means what? Yes, the measurement is 90 degree. The angle which measures 90 degree is said to be as right angle. What is meant by acute angle? The angle which measures less than 90 degree is said to be as acute angle, which measures less than 90 degree. And obtuse angle means what? The angle which measures more than 90 is said to be as obtuse angle. More than 90 is said to be as obtuse angle. So these are the main types of angle. The construction part, how you are going to construct an angle and how you are going to measure the angle, I will show you later. So now for constructing an angle, we require a protractor, one pencil. If you want, you can take the pen, one eraser and a scale. So we are going to construct an angle. Before that, we will just see. Now here you can see 70 degree you are going to construct an angle. For that, first you are going to draw one small line over here. Fine. Now you can take this edge or you can take that edge also. Now if I am supposed to take this edge, so what I am going to do, I am going to take this protractor. Now if you see the measurements clearly on this protractor, the part which is present here, this you are going to place on that point which you have drawn clearly. So this part denotes 90 degree. You can see here there are two side measurements. One are from here, which starts from 0 to 180, and you can see the outer measurements also. One thing you can remember when you are starting, now this is my right hand and this is my left hand. So when you are starting from left hand, you are supposed to take the inside measures. Means what? When you are starting from left side, you are going to take the measures which are present inside of the protector. Okay, so now right now I'm going to keep over here, that is present here. So what I'll do, this is my left hand side, so I'm going to take the inside measures. Which degree I want over here? I want 70 degree. So you can see from inside which is 70 degree. This is 0, this is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 and 70. So in front of that 70 I'm going to draw one small point. I'll just remove this, I'll take a scale, and this point and that point I'm going to join. Always remember one thing, angles are supposed to be end with these arrows. So you can give the names also. This is P, this is Q and this is R, and this is 70 degrees. So you are going to mention 70 degree over here. Now we will see the next part, that is 110. For 110, again the same method, you are going to draw one line over here. I am going to take this side, that is left hand side. I am going to focus, I am just going to draw this dot little big so that I can keep this protector easily over here. As told you, when you are going to take left hand side, you are going to take the inside measurements of the protector. Here 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100 and 110. My requirement is of 110, so I am going to place 110 over here. Dot will be drawn over here. So that dot and this point which is present, I am just going to join them. You can give the names as you want. For example, I can give you X, Y and Z. This is 110, so I am going to write 110 in between. Is this clear? Now the last part is 90 degree. How I am going to show 90 degree? Just see, same part we are going to do. We are going to draw a line first, the base part. Okay, the part I am going to focus over here. I am going to highlight it. Now this protector part which is here present, the base main, that I am going to keep here. As I have taken this point on the left hand side, I am going to take the inside measures. 90 is present both the side, which is similarly I am going to draw a point here, and I am going to draw a line which will pass from these 2 points, and this is my 90 degree. I can give as S, T, U name, and 90 degree is always denoted in such a way. Okay, stop writing it like this. Just you are going to do in a square format, that is 90 degree. So this is construction of an angle. You can construct any angles whichever is given in your textbook as an homework. So now we are going to see how to measure an angle. So for measuring an angle will be already drawn. You are supposed to write the measurement of that angle. You require a protector for doing that. Just see now here they have taken this point on left hand side. So you are going to keep the protector over here on this point, adjust it properly, and now it is present on left hand side. So we are knowing the rule, when it is left hand side we are going to take the inside measures, that is inside calculation which is present. So now clearly you can see this line is passing from here. We are going to start from here, 0, 10, 20, 30. It have already crossed 30, but it is less than 40. So it is near somewhere, you can see this, it is near to 38. I have not completed 40 also. So inside measures it is near to the 38. So the major angle PQR will be of 38 degrees. Okay, you are supposed to measure these degrees on the top. Now you can see this next angle, that is ABC, angle ABC. We are going to do the measurement of this. You can see here it is again on the left hand side. You are going to keep this line over here properly. And if you can clearly observe here, it is straight away 90. You can see both the sides the 90 is same. So here the major angle ABC is equal to 90 degree. You can write M also, that is major angle or measurement of angle PQR. You can write over here measurement of angle ABC is equal to 90. And the last part of this is TUV. We are going to measure this. Same, we are going to keep this point on this U in such a way so this line will be totally adjusted over here. Now you can clearly observe that this U, and you can see this line also, it is coming, or it is little one step less than this 120. It is near to 120 but not approximately 120. It is 119. So here the major angle of TUV is equal to 119 degree. And if I ask you the type of this angle, this is a acute angle, this is right angle, and this is obtuse angle. I hope these angles are totally known to you now. Try to see this video again and again so that you can understand this concept more clearly. Thank you.